I'm Dr. Philip Scott Seibel. I'm a cardiothoracic surgeon with HCA Florida Heart and Vascular Care. I perform all adult cardiothoracic surgery, including coronary artery bypass grafting, where we restore blood flow to the heart as a result of blocked arteries. I perform all valvular operations, both open and now with advanced technology, most of which we're doing percutaneously. In other words, we don't make a large incision in the chest. We can actually replace a valve or repair a valve through an artery in the leg, most typically. I also perform all adult lung surgery, mostly for lung cancer. We're currently performing the majority of our operations using a surgical robot, which allows patients to recover much faster, oftentimes going home the day after the procedure. I feel our practice is unique in that all of the surgeons, myself, Dr. Malias, and Dr. Heitman, treat patients as individuals. We get to know our patients, we get to know their families, and we follow them every step of the way through the process. We have one of the most experienced surgical practices on the Treasure Coast, each surgeon having close to 25 years of experience. In addition, knowing the gravity of the situation, we try to expedite things as much as possible in order to get patients in the system, get them operated on, and on their way to recovery. What I enjoy most about what I do, typically the hugs you get from the patients when they come back to see you, the thanks and gratitude from the family members, just seeing somebody who was extremely ill, perhaps even close to death, walking back through the door with a smile on their face. Seeing patients get back into their lives, looking forward to get back out, playing golf, tennis, walking the dog, just enjoying life with the family.